How to insulate ductwork by using HUIHAO custom insulation fasteners. The perforated insulation pins with self-locking washers of HUIHAO Custom are widely used to fasten fiberglass duct, wrap, or board onto the HVAC ductwork. HUIHAO is a professional manufacturer for insulation pins and metal fixing washers. The insulation pins and metal fixing washers made from HUIHAO are with good quality and price. If you are now in need of the insulation pins and metal fixing washers, please feel free to ask me a price and a sample. Thank you for your attention and welcome your inquiry.